So this is my brand new Playgo toy washing machine. Really cool, isn't it? I'll start a little empty wash cycle. Here, let me grab the my life ads. There. I grabbed the my life as my life as toy washing machine. Here's the two in comparison. Yep, that's the comparison. This is how the My Life as toy washer opens and closes its door. But this is how the Playgo version opens and closes its door. Really cool. Look at this. Look at this. You can literally you can extend this out, push it back, but not. It doesn't do that for the My Life as toy washer. These are not interactable in any way. There's no way you can interact with those. These you can definitely interact with. Oh, this is definitely not interactive either. The My Life as toy washer dial is definitely interactable. Oh no! Oh. Here, let me do a hand spin versus with this versus the My Life as. Before the video ends here. Anyways, that'll do it for today's review right here. Bye.